Hey guys, in this video we will talk about the gains and losses for a country that is importing goods. So let's see the total surplus of a country before they begin importing. So the consumer surplus is above equilibrium and below supply, or below the band, sorry. So it is here. So the consumer surplus is A, and producer surplus is below equilibrium price and above supply, which is B. So what is the total surplus of the nation? It is A plus B. Now, I'll erase this part. I'll put back A plus B. Now, what happens when the world price is here? Now, B, I'll say this is B prime and this is B double prime to separate the B. This is the price of the world, PW. Now, because this country is a price taker in free trade, this price right here, the price equilibrium, is now the world price. So how does this affect the consumers and the producers? Well, consumer surplus is still above this equilibrium price, but it's below the demand. So this triangle. As you can see, the area of the triangle, which was previously only A, has increased. So A plus B prime plus right here, which is, I'll say, is C. Now, where does this C come from? Because more goods are entering the nation because of the low price from here to here, these goods are bought by the consumers. All of the consumers in this area are willing to pay these low prices. So the overall consumer surplus has increased. But this is the reason why this country does not have a comparative advantage over the world. It is because the producers are unable to export. So the producers have decreased from B minus, so they lost B prime, and now they're left with B double prime, which is a smaller area, which is under the equilibrium price and above the supply, a smaller area than the original. So what is the total surplus? Well, it's A plus B prime plus B double prime plus C. Now, B prime and B double prime are equal to B, and A is equal to A, but now there's an extra C out here, the gains from trade. But let's talk about the consumer surplus change. Well, they've gained B prime, or rather they've taken it from the producers, and they've added C from the world trade that they've gained. Now the producers, well, they lose out on B prime to the consumers, and now they're left with B double prime. So they lost B prime, and they gained B double prime. Well, they didn't really gain it, so they still had it before. So they only lost B prime. And, well, let's talk about the overall change. So B prime and B prime are the same area, so they cancel out. And the C goes to the overall total surplus increase. So what does this mean for an importing country? Well, you can see that the consumers are happy because the prices have decreased, but the producers are unhappy because the price has decreased, meaning that their products cannot sell for the higher price that would reach greater profits. But overall, for the overall country, free trade is beneficial because they have gained in extra amounts, meaning that the total surplus has increased, meaning that the overall gains from trade outweigh the losses.